This is Emily's inspiring story of resilience. Emily's obnoxiously loud alarm rang at 6 a.m. sharp, announcing the start of yet another demanding day. She lay in bed for a moment, feeling the familiar weight of her responsibilities. Today, however, she decided to start the day with a positive attitude. Emily knew that her mindset could make all the difference, so she said her affirmations first thing. By 6:30 a.m., she was out the door for a quick morning jog. Running always helped clear her mind and set a positive tone for the day. As she ran through the quiet streets, the rising sun painted the sky with hues of pink and gold, filling her with a sense of calm and optimism. She took a moment to appreciate it. By 8 a.m., Emily was at work. The workload was heavy and deadlines loomed, but Emily decided to tackle each task one at a time, focusing on what she could control rather than what she couldn't. She took short breaks to stretch and breathe, maintaining her energy and clarity. Around noon, Emily faced her first major challenge of the day. An important project had hit a snag, and her team was growing frustrated. Instead of letting the stress get to her, Emily took a deep breath and organized an impromptu video call. She encouraged her colleagues, offering solutions and reminding them of their collective strengths. Her positive approach was contagious, and soon, the team was back on track, more motivated than before. By mid-afternoon, Emily's personal challenges began to weigh on her. Her mother's medical bills were piling up, and she worried about balancing work, family, and self-care. Feeling overwhelmed, she decided to take a short walk outside. The fresh air and change of scenery worked wonders, helping her regain perspective. Emily reminded herself of the support system around her, the friends and family who were always ready to lend a hand. Returning to her tasks with a clearer mind, Emily continued her work with renewed energy. She finished her day at 5 o'clock, but she knew her work was far from over. She had an evening shift at a local diner, because who can live on just one job these days? Before heading out, she took a few minutes to meditate, focusing on her breath and visualizing a successful, peaceful evening full of good tips. At the diner, the rush hour crowd was intense, but Emily greeted each customer with a smile. Her positive attitude not only made her job more enjoyable, but also brightened the day for those around her. She even managed to chat briefly with a regular customer who shared some encouraging words, reinforcing her belief in the power of kindness and positivity. Emily returned home about 10 p.m., exhausted but satisfied. She had faced challenges, yet managed to keep her spirits high and her outlook positive. As she prepared for bed, Emily reflected on her day. She realized that while she couldn't control every aspect of her life, she could control how she responded to each situation. Her determination to maintain a positive attitude had transformed a potentially stressful day into a series of small victories. Emily drifted off to sleep, feeling proud of herself and hopeful for the future. Her day was a testament to the power of resilience and positivity, a reminder that even in the face of adversity, our attitude can turn challenges into triumphs. Just keep going.